In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Family Link from your Google account on iPhone. So if your Google account is still linked to a family group and you want to remove it, just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Gmail app on your iPhone. And once it opens, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now from here, tap on Manage your Google account. And once the Google account page opens, what you want to do next is go to the People and Sharing tab. Now, once you're inside People and Sharing, just look for an option that says Manage Family Group and tap on it. Now, on this page, you'll see your family group details. And here, what you want to do is tap on Delete Family Group and then confirm the action. Now, once you confirm it, the family group will be removed and Family Link will no longer be connected to your Google account. And that's it. Your Google account is now removed from Family Link on your iPhone. If this helps you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.